Lalo kung nagka-interest pumunta ng Thailand. I got these 3 shopping bags here. Hello there! Meron pong gusto sumali. Everything we do is rad. Hi guys! Anyways, for today's video, what we're going to do is we will do a haul. Actually, if you remember last time na gumawa ako ng parang mini vlog, is namili ako sa Ever and I just wanna share it to you. Hindi na siya haul kasi nilabhan ko na siya. Nilabhan ko siya kanina. And I bought this dresses sa Ever. Ang tindahan is Lucky Maria's. And ang gaganda ng mga damit nila, like yung mga dress nila is from Thailand. Sorry for my messy background. So I bought a 4, actually 4 na item ito, but one is I left with binigay ko kay mama, pero sabi niya medyo masikip, so I don't know if I'm gonna use that still. Pero I got this one. I wanna share them to you guys. So I got this one dress. Ayan. Pinapatuyo ko pa siya. Though, tuyo naman na. So, ayan. So, these are all for church dresses then. So, ayan. I bought this for, original price is $850. So, natawaran ko siya ng $800. So, if you will see yung details niya, ayan. Wait, I'll show it to you guys. Ayan. Ito yung details niya. Ayan. Ayan siya. And then this one is also $850. Then natawaran ko rin siya na $800. Ayan. So, ang goal dito is maging inner siya nitong fur na blazer. So, ito yung blazer natin. Itong blazer na to is may kasama siyang sando. So, if ever, pwede ko siyang i-pair sa pants. Tapos may sando siya. And then, ito yung blazer niya. I bought this pair for $650. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Diba? Super nice. Kasi if we will be... Oh, may nangangalmat sa akin. Hello there! Meron pong gusto sumali. And kung bibilhin kasi siya sa mall, to be honest, kung bibilhin ko siya sa mall, each of them will cost about 1,000 or more dahil sa quality nila. They are very nice. They have a good quality. Yung mga tela. Kasi nga, they are dresses from Thailand. And dahil nakita ko yun, dahil nakita ko yung store na yun, and ang dami pa niyang magagandang item doon, syempre hindi na lang ako bumili ng madami. Kasi syempre budgeted lang din tayo. But, lalo kung nagka-interest pumunta ng Thailand for shopping ng mga damit. And then now, I'm gonna show you the other items that I bought. I got these 3 shopping bags here. Kasi, alam nyo, ang tagal ko ng work from home, almost 2022. So, magfo 4 years na ako work from home. And I realized na hindi talaga ako bumibili ng masyadong damit. Kasi nga, I don't think na kailangan ko siya kasi nasa bahay ako. Kayo, na mga nakikita ninyo yung ibang mga video uploads ko, alam ninyo yan na hindi ako masyadong, makikita ninyo na halos pa ulit-ulit yung damit. Now, I just want to share this kasi meron akong album na haul. So, I want to share it with you guys. Wala lang. Kasi these are all discounted. And the Macbeth, they have good quality of shirts and all. So first is I bought 2 pullover ba tawag dito? Ayan, I got this one. This is a pullover na designed siya with open dito. So I got gray and I got black. Ayan. Kaya ako siya i-haul kasi kasi lalabahan ko na siya. It's been here for for more than 2 weeks na. 2 weeks na yan. So, I just bought it 500 each. Ayan, super nice. And may logo siya dito sa may hood niya. Diyan. So, hoodie siya. Hoodie siya na pull over. Ayan. And then another is a t-shirt. A yellow shirt. Because I want a yellow shirt. So, dito, minimalist lang siya. So, as what you can see, this is just a simple shirt na meron lang logo ng is this a fox or a bear? Ayan, dyan. And then, yung logo lang niya sa likod. Ayan. So, that's for me. Meron tayong audience dito sa baba. They are watching. And then I got here more. So this is the same dun sa yellow. This is for my husband. Pero kulay black siya. Tapos same lang din yung design niya, but it has like a bear here. And then yung logo ng Macbeth sa likod. Super simple lang. Kasi pati siya, yung mga damit niya, kasi everyday siya pumapasok, di ba? So, yung ginagamit niya pang alis is mga yung regular t-shirts, and then pagdating niya sa store, saka siya nagpapalit ng uniform. So, yan. And then, this one is green. I don't know, kasi ito is large. Last stock na rin to. Anyway, this is only 400 pesos. 400 pesos from 800. So, naka 50% off sila. Kaya rin ako namili. This one is 500 and the original price is 999. Ayan o, yung price. Para makita ninyo. Ayan. So, this is the design. Andyan lang yan siya o. Yung print niya kasi is hindi yung hindi siya yung rubberized. Yung to, parang silk screen, ganun. And then, ito yung likod. See? Tsaka siya, maganda talaga yung mga tela nila, guys. Yun yung isa sa binibili ko kasi talaga sa Macbeth, yung tela is maganda. Sa DBTK naman, ang gusto ko doon is yung mga designs nila. And, oo, yung tela maganda din. And then, I got here a jacket. Ang gusto ko dito is yung print niya sa likod. Kung nakita ninyo yung, vlog ko nakaraan, mini vlog ko, ayun. Ito siya, suot ko ito. So, I have here the Macbeth logo. Ayan, may ganyan lang siya. And then, meron siya nakalagay sa likod. Ayan. Ayan. Sabi niya dito is, everything we do is rad. Since 2002. California, USA. So, yeah. Ayan siya. May kasama ako nag-haul yung mga busa dito. Ayan, maganda siya. And then, yung loob ng hood niya is meron ding text. Ayun. So, kasi parang last na bili namin ng jacket was last year pa. And, favorite ko yung jacket na gray. And wala akong parang, oo, I don't know. Basta ganun. And, syempre, pag malamig-lamig, ganyan, naulan, kailangan ng protection. And then, lastly, this is one of my favorite. Because I have, it's a cap. Anyways, yung jacket, ang original price niya is, wait lang. The original price is, $2,400. Ayan. But, I got this for 50% off. And then this one, it is only 20% off. Pero kasi, I really love the design of the cup. Mahilig ako yung cup na gamit ko kasi is yung yellow. And talagang nakasabit siya lagi sa bag ko. Pero this one, I just love the design. Ayan. It's California, CA. And then, there you go. We have here the Macbeth logo and on the other side then. And ganito yung ano niya sa likod. So, I was able to grab this. This is 1,399.14. I got this for almost 1,200 kasi 20% off lang naman siya. Yeah. And I love this cap. Ang gusto ko dito, merong ordinary style to. I just love how this one looks like here. Ito. Gusto ko to. Ayan o. Diba? Ang ganda nung quality nung cap. And CA, yung nakasulat dito, same siya nung, nung material na to. Yan. And if you're asking why CA, it's my full name. It's my first name. Joke lang. No, yeah. It's California and I love California. That's my first freelance job. It's in California. But anyway, I love California. It's still a dream to go in California. Siguro kung hindi ako umalis dun sa previous company, baka nagkaroon ako ng travel sa US. Pero, I'm still grateful because I got the job that I have right now. Kasi, super nice ang management. The manager is also kind. And the business itself is malaki yung potential. Well, anyways, that's all for my haul. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And sa mga susunod pa, dadalhin ko pa kayo sa mga unboxing and sa hauls natin. I shoot this in landscape. So I have something in my YouTube. Well, anyways, yun lang. And thank you so much for watching, guys.